Hello friend, welcome to UG Entrance Exam by Adda 247. CUCT 2022 notification will be announced very soon. The next week you can expect the notification. But apart from that, students are asking regularly. They are very curious to know regarding the eligibility criteria. And in the eligibility criteria, they are asking regularly, sir, what will be the weightage of 12th board marks in CUCT 2022. So let's start the video and let us discuss this thing in this video. Friends, as far as 12th board marks are concerned, so let me give you some example first. बात करें इंद्रप्रस्थ यूनिवर्सिटी तो दे हैव ऑलरेडी क्लियर कि वी नीड only 50% aggregate marks for this student. So they have declared this in the official notification. Now let's talk about the IPMAT. So IPMAT Indore, IPMAT Rohtak की बात करें, so they require only 60% marks in the 12th board. So guys, there is no any matter of the 12th board marks. अगर मैं बात करूँ 12th board marks की तो 60% or 60 to 65% marks more than enough to appear in the CUCT or to appear in the UG entrance examination. Now let's come to the CUCT. So guys, Delhi University के जो वाइस चांसलर Professor Yogesh Singh, they have already declared कि will not be giving more priority to the 12th board marks, will be giving only the priority to the CUCT 2022 marks. So उन्होंने already declare कर दिया ये बात. So friends, अब CUCT 2022 का जो स्कोर है वो ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है और 12th board marks में we have to attain just a minimum qualifying marks. So in this situation, preparation of CUCT 2022 becomes very important. So friends, this is the reason why CUCT 2022 preparation becomes very important. And yes, this is the latest update I'm talking about because of Delhi ke vice chancellor, they have already cleared and we saw the official notification of IP University. Yes, everything will be cleared in the coming week because we'll see the official notification of CUCT 2022. So guys, as of now, I would like to say that please keep doing your preparation for CUCT 2022 along with the 12th board. सो गाइस, अगर आप CUCT 2022 से किसी और एग्जाम जैसे कि IPMAT, रोहतक, इंदौर, क्लैट या कोई भी UG एंट्रेंस एग्जाम ओवर देयर इन 2022 प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, सो गाइस मैं लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग कि अड्डा 247 ने कोर्सेज लॉन्च कर दिए हैं. यू कैन विजिट द स्टोर एंड यू कैन विजिट द ऐप. लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन वीडियो पिन कमेंट में मिल जाएगा. सो गो टू दैट लिंक, click on that link, you will be redirected to the various courses. And yes, Adda 247 is providing free of cost daily quizzes, mock test section, various things on app. So you must download the app. Thank you very much.